the middle of a snowstorm, Friday, February 5th, and you can see it's about 9 a.m. and the bike path is not cleared at all, but you can see there's a lot of tire tracks on this bridge, so people have been using it. Meanwhile, you look at the streets of Manhattan and they're almost completely clear. But for cyclists, nothing is done in the middle of a snowstorm. And you can see it's not only me who's biking here. There's someone right up ahead who passed me on a bike. So the DOT or whoever removes this snow needs to rethink their strategy. Again, streets for cars are cleared off, but for cyclists it's no good, and it's being used. People use this bike path 365 days a year, and another rogue walker here too, crazy, but you know, people use this, and it's a key artery between Brooklyn and Manhattan, even in what you would think is the worst weather for it. They're expecting 3 to 5 inches of snow here, and I'm gonna turn off pretty soon because this is getting dangerous for me. But maybe we could ask the cyclists a question. Where are you coming from? We're doing a little interview here.
Clinton Hill.
Yeah, we're trying to get this bike path cleared during snowstorms.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think of the condition today?
It would be a lot better if it was clear.
You can see the streets are clear here, but they paid no attention to the bridge.
I tried the Williamsburg bike path, and it's always really deep too.
All right.
So it'd be good, yeah.
Look for Silver Machine on YouTube.
Thanks.
Have a good day.